Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal. Today is Penuche Fudge Day, and I don't think I'm saying that right. I think it's Penuche Fudge. Anyway, that's the day, honey. We're making some fudge. This would be, I believe, our second fudge that we've made. We've made vanilla pudding. We will be making chocolate pudding. So we are doing really great. I am so proud of you guys if you are following along. For those of you who have just started, I'm Good Time Gal, and this is Good Time Gal Cook Blog Tutorial. This is for the people who are following along on my actual blog, Good Time Gal, like the ingredient, ThymeGal.com or blog. Basically, this is all about celebrating those national holidays and cooking that good food. So, some of us know this. I personally know this fudge as brown sugar fudge. In the South, we call it brown sugar fudge because you make this fudge by using light brown sugar. And y'all, so good. So why does this align with us? Well, first, equitable, easy to make. Everything in this recipe you probably have around your house, minus the pecans and walnuts. And it is nostalgic. It's going to remind you of that fudge your grandmother used to make, because this is an old-fashioned fudge. This fudge is like 1960s fudge. So it's decadent but affordable. Take this to the church picnic, turn out everybody. That's what we're doing today. So it's also approachable. So easy to do. So you don't need a lot of ingredients. Actually, we're not going to be doing a lot of anything. We're going to put this in a saucepan and stir. That is why this is all about Good Time Gal. So let's get started. If you're not following along on the blog, I will go ahead and read off the ingredients. You're going to need 2 cups of packed brown sugar. You're going to need 3/4 of a cup of whole milk. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You're going to need a pinch of salt. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're going to need 1.5 to 2 cups of powdered sugar. And then you're going to need 1/4 of a cup or 1/2 cup of chopped pecans or walnuts. I chose walnuts today because we just did that pecan pie. Why not? Variety is the spice of life. So the first step is we are combining the milk, the butter, pinch of salt. I always like to throw a little salt over my shoulder, right? And the brown sugar. And make sure they combine. So I'm just doing a gentle stir. I'm not doing a hard one. I'm just letting it . Gently stirring it, because that's what they want. They want you to gently stir it so that the butter dissolves. Turning into a nice chocolate fudge. Yes. Now what I'm waiting for is a gentle boil. So when this gently boils, I'm going to take it off, and then I'm going to incorporate the vanilla. And then I'm going to let it cool for a couple more minutes, and then we'll beat in the powdered sugar. The boiling is beginning, and so I'm gonna just don't forget this is brown sugar, so you can't let it sit too long. You just want it to sit enough. About 1 more minute, and then because you see how it's foaming a little bit at the top, like it looks kind of like hot cocoa. That's because I'm not. This is a gentle boil. This is actually boiling. I don't want to boil it too much, so I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna pour in that vanilla. Now we let it cool for 5 minutes. All right, so we're at that last step of the fudge where we are going to incorporate our powdered sugar. All right, I like that consistency. I have my pan lined with parchment that I am going, well actually no, I'm gonna just use this because I wanna do it like this. So I'm just gonna pour. Add the walnuts. Just a little bit. Don't go too heavy. You're too heavy. All right, this is going to go in our chiller for 1 to 3 hours. I know, but it'll be delicious.